how to add an item to your cart on Alibaba. So adding an item to your cart on Alibaba is a very simple process. So here is a step-by-step guide to do it. Simply go to your web browser and type down alibaba.com on your search address bar. After that, simply log into your Alibaba account or sign up to your account if you don't have already, or you can log in tapping on the login option available there. So after you log in, search for the option you want to add to cart in your Alibaba. So click on the product to view its details, including description, specification, pricing, and seller information. So you can see there are some certain quantity you need to reach in order to buy all these items or in order to add to the cart. So you'll have to reach that minimum quantity. So the minimum quantity is 199 in this hoodie. So we are going to reach to 199 quantity and tap on the continue to order options shown in orange highlights. So after you are satisfied with the product quantity and pricing, look for the continue to order option available there and tap on it. So after that, you can view your cart clicking on the shopping cart icon usually located at the top right corner of the page. And you can choose your preferred payment maker and enter the required payment details for payment as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.